Now, what if I tell you there's an asset class that you can buy today, or there's somewhere where you can put your money today and double that money which you put in the next couple of years? Would that interest you? Welcome here to another awesome video. On this video, I want to tell you a place where you can put your money and be able to double your money. I mean, I know it's too risky to say this, but this one is a guaranteed situation. It has happened. So many of the rich people, billionaires, millionaires all over the world, they've been putting money into this place where I want to tell you, and they've been making millions if not billions of dollars. But of course, before I dig deep, whatever I say on this channel is not peer advice. Everything I share here are just my opinions. But of course, the opinions that I'm sharing here are opinions based on studies, based on proven track records, based on my experience also, right? So in as much as opinions, this is something that of course has stood the test of time, and so many of the people that you see out there today who are successful, they've been doing exactly what I'm about to tell you. So please do like this video, please do subscribe, as it does take me some time to create this kind of content. Otherwise, before I waste any more of your time, there is a place in the stock market where you are putting today and never put anything tomorrow, you see yourself doubling. You will see yourself doubling that money in the next coming few years. But obviously, you know, if you still don't know what a stock market is, I've explained. Stock market is a place where investors connect to buy publicly listed assets like shares, like ETFs, like government bonds, and all of the other stuff, right? This is where investors connect to buy these assets, and there are certain assets that are guaranteed to double your money in few years. There's been like that for over the last century. People have been getting guaranteed, or have been doubling their money guaranteed, if they put their money in some of these assets. And my dear friends, it is all made possible through the stock market. I've explained what the stock market is all about on previous videos, and on this one I've also just told you now. And for you to participate in investing or buying stocks, ETFs, and all these other assets that are available in the stock market, you need to get a broker, register your profile, and populate your details. And with just that, you stand a chance of doubling your money, right? But anyways, without wasting any more of your time, the asset that you need to buy in the stock market that should be able to double your money in exactly 7 years, 3 months is the S&P 500. Any ETF that you buy that tracks the S&P 500, which covers or which follows the top 500 companies in the US, should be able to double your money in 7 years and 3 months. And like I said, this has been proven for centuries, and or has been proven for decades and decades. It works, guys. You can go and buy the S&P 500 today and not deposit any other money until 7 years and 3 months. You will find yourself, if you are to open that account, put whatever amount you want to put, close that account, check it 7 years later, I'm telling you, you would have doubled your money. That is proven, because the S&P 500 on average throughout history, it has grown by 10% on average. This caters for the market crashes that sometimes do happen in the markets. This caters for the market rallies that happens in the markets, because there are some years where you'll see, or will get a market crash, right? We'll get a 10, 20, 30% market crash, but there are some years also that you will get a 20, 30, 40, 50% of market rallies correcting from the market crash. I mean, if you go, for instance, and look onto the chart of the S&P 500, Go right now and go to Google and check the S&P 500. You will notice that that index since inception, the index has always been rising, has always been on the rise. The chart is always going up, meaning that one way or the other you will forever make money from this index. And on average, like I said, it's 10%. Now 10%, if you are getting 10% on your returns annually, or on the money that you put annually, you should be able to double whatever amount that you have put on the first year, on year 7, on year 8, right? Just before year 8 finish, you should have doubled your money, whatever amount you have put. Now this is just for when you put just one amount and close the account, right? And delete the account, and delete the app, or delete the platform that you are using, and open it in 7 years 3 times, in 7 year 3 months time. This is what you would get. Now imagine if you continue putting money on a monthly basis for the next 7 years. How much are you going to generate? I'm telling you, it's so crazy. You can be rich with just investing in the stock market yourself. I mean, in the next 7, if you put 10,000 today and never put any other thing, after 7 years 3 months you will be sitting at 20,000. Now something very interesting, if you take it further and you don't take it after 7 years 3 months, you wait until 14 and a half years, right? 14 years 6 months, you are going to grow your 10,000 to 40,000. It's proven, it's there. Same compound of 10%, you are going to be sitting, your 10,000 would have transformed to 40,000. Now if you keep it even a little bit longer, you go to 21 years and 8 months, I'm telling you, you are going to grow your money 8 times. Now look, I know some people will try to make statements like being rich is not that easy, but I'm telling you, anyone, if you want, you can be rich. I'm not yet rich, but this is what I'm doing, man. And I've never seen something that is as consistent as the S&P 500. I've never seen, like, whether the market crashed this year and recovers next year, I'm telling you, you will forever get, when you calculate your 7 years 3 months, I'm telling you, you will see that you are going to make you have made a lot of money. And 10% is just a minimum, it's just an average. You can find yourself sitting at 18%. You can find yourself on average, depending on your years, getting to 18%, 20%. And that, my friends, this is the secret hack of the wealthy, right? This is what the wealthy people are doing. When you are fighting to get something that will make you get rich quick today, you invest today, you get money tomorrow or next month. This ultra rich, as to why they continue being rich, is because they've mastered this, what I just told you now. They've mastered, and they know that their money is secure and it will grow so massive if they are to put it into this asset. Yes, you need to move, like I said, and start buying individual stocks to have even more growth on your portfolio. But if you are lazy, you don't want to complicate your life that much, today, if you can just decide to put whatever amount of money onto the S&P 500, I can guarantee you that in the next 8 years you would have doubled your money. You would have doubled your money straight forward like that. Don't do anything, don't deposit anything, just a lump sum. And can I make you an example? 10 rand doubling it to 20 rands is not the same as 100 rands doubling it to 200 rands. It's not the same as 1,000 doubling it to 2,000 versus 10,000 doubling it to 20,000. So the more you put the more gains you receive. If you put 100,000, 8 years later you will be sitting at 200,000. It's a fact. At least 200,000. So if you're still waiting for someone to come and teach you rocket science, this is the simplest way to be rich or to get rich. I've seen so many people getting rich with just this simple strategy. Me, I take it further. I go and also, over and above investing onto the S&P 500, JSE Top 40, I also go and invest into individual stocks, because I know how to analyze stocks. I know I can go to individual companies to stand a chance of not only doubling my money in 7-8 years. There are some instances where I've doubled my money in 1 year because of individual stocks. I bought them just at the right time when they are just to receive a breakthrough, and that led into them growing by 100% in a space of 1 year, in a space of 2 years. It has happened. So, but if you are not that, or if you don't want that, or in fact if you are a beginner, you have got no business going to buy individual stocks, starting here will guarantee you at least doubling your money in the next within the next 8 years. And that, my friends, it is the secret hack of the wealth. So yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. Tell me what you think about this. I thought I quickly come and share and try to be practical now, because I've been telling you how to invest and all that. So I thought I come and tell you the practicality of investing, what it can do, how it can grow your money and take you to financial freedom. So if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit or click that notification bell, because it does take me some time to create content like this. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.